Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Here in this video, we will see how to open multiple websites at once with a single click only. That too by using a notepad. Okay. For most of us, our morning routine in front of the computer begins by opening few websites. But opening each of them one by one in your browser is a bit of pain. You even tend to miss out some websites now and then. So, if you could open all your favorite sites with a single click, then how it will be? That we will see today. There are two tricks to do this one. Using a desktop shortcut or directly from your browser. Let us first see how to create desktop shortcut which will open multiple URLs as tabs in your browser. Here desktop shortcuts to open multiple websites together is the trick to create a desktop script which can open multiple URLs in your default browser. This is actually the most convenient method. Here is how to do this one. Here there are two parts. For all the browser except the Internet Explorer, first we have to create a new text document on your desktop and name it something like morningwebsites.txt. Double click on it so notepad will open for editing. Copy and paste the script which is I have given in the description and replace the site name or URLs with the ones you wanted to load. For demonstration, I have written some instructions in the notepad, that is @echo of. Here start Facebook means start is a command to open a URL. Start Facebook, this is name of a URL, and http:// facebook.com, that is www.facebook.com. From this instruction, the default browser will open Facebook site, and in the second instruction start Google Plus, that is plus.google.com. So whatever you want to open the websites, that you can name it, name of the website and the URL of the website. Start Yahoo, like this. 4 instructions I have given, that is Facebook, Google Plus, Gmail and Yahoo. If you want to add additional sites, just copy and paste the last line and change the name. Save the file and rename it to morningwebsite.bat, that is batch file, and select as all files while saving. That's it. Just double click on this file and all your sites will be open in your default web browsers as a tabs. If you have set Internet Explorer as the default browser, then the sites will be opened in new windows instead of tabs. So to open in new tabs, we have to use different script for Internet Explorer only. For that we will see, create a new text document as usual on your desktop and name it something like morningwebsites.txt. After that, double click on the file to open it for editing. Copy and paste the whatever the instruction given in the description box, copy and paste on the notepad. So set Internet Explorer object is equal to CreateObject InternetExplorer.Application. This is a VBS script, that is Visual Basic Script. In this way, here navigate to I have written as a URL as Facebook, and second one same Google Plus, and this is a Gmail, and this is yahoo.com. Okay, this is of course 2048 is the port number. So to add additional sites, just copy and paste the last line and change the URL. Save this text file as morningwebsites.vbs, that is Visual Basic Script. Save it on a desktop. That's it. Just double click on this file and Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 or 11 will open all your websites in the form of tabs. Okay, so that's it. Friends, hope this video will be useful for you, and kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Press the bell icon and enable all notifications. Thank you.